Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add collapsible text, that read more or read less feature, to your Wix website. By the end of this video, you'll be able to neatly organize longer text, keeping your site clean and professional while letting your visitors dig deeper into content only when they want to. If you've ever struggled with bulky paragraphs or just want your web pages to have a modern edge, this is going to be a game changer. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's jump into your Wix editor. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand menu and find the clever little Add button that's usually marked as Add Elements. Give that a click. This is your toolbox for just about everything you want to pop onto your website. And right now, we're searching for something super specific: collapsible text. Don't worry if you haven't used this tool before. Wix makes it really user-friendly. At the top of the panel, there's a handy search field. Go ahead and start typing in collapsible text. As you type, Wix does the work and filters the options for you. You'll see several choices pop up, but let's focus on finding the one labeled with a Read More link, or whichever style jumps out at you. If you want a more creative look, feel free to scroll and check out the different variations. There's usually something for every design taste. It's kind of like picking the perfect envelope for a letter. The contents stay the same, but the presentation can really say a lot. Once you've found the style you like, simply click on it, and it'll plant itself right on your page. Don't worry about getting it in the perfect spot right away. You can move it around later. You'll notice now that the text box shows up collapsed, with only a snippet of text and a Read More link just beneath. This is perfect for sneak peeking an introduction, a summary, or even hiding a long FAQ answer. It lets visitors choose if they want to see more without overwhelming them with information from the get-go. Let's personalize it. Double-click within the collapsible text area, and you'll open up a little editor. Here, you can swap out that sample text with your own content. Maybe it's a product description, an inspirational story, or step-by-step details for your latest tutorial, whatever you need. If your audience lives on mobile, keep in mind that shorter intros and concise summaries invite more clicks. Now, you might be wondering, can I link to something else, like an article or a different page instead of just expanding my text? Absolutely. With Wix, you can often edit the Read More trigger itself. Sometimes you can link it elsewhere or stylize it differently to match your site's vibe. Just check out the settings for that specific collapsible text element. It may take a few extra clicks to find all the options, so take your time and explore. If things look a bit different than what I'm describing, don't stress. Wix updates their tools now and then, but the core process stays pretty similar. Once you're happy with how everything looks and feels, take a moment to preview your work. Click that preview button at the top right of your Wix editor. This step is important because it lets you see what your visitors will experience without accidentally publishing changes you're not sure about. Make sure the collapsible text is working just as you want. Expand, collapse, and see if the wording or styling needs a tweak. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've added a clean, interactive Read More section to your Wix website. It's a simple addition that makes a big difference in how your content is presented and consumed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions about using collapsible text or want to share your own creative uses for it, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.